serious. You embarrass me like that. It's gonna be on. So he turned the furnace up. See, when we're going through a trial, he gets
come on. You done made somebody mad. Come on.
It's because we done made them mad. And truly, I know at my job, I done made them folks. But now they come to me, Sister Crystal, can you pray? Can you pray? I know you can get a prayer up to heaven.
Same one that wanted to burn you up.
And help with Sister so-and-so, because you know you a Christian and she needs some help. So can you come pray for her and help us with her? I know that's not your job description to be counseling folk. Now they're telling me that. I know that's not your job description to be counseling folk, but she on the floor and they're crying. Can you go help her?